All right, Susan, you ready to go?
I am, Julio.
So exercise 1, you're going to do my Muhammad Ali's to the side, your left foot step forward, then your right, then to the side.
Okay, can you see me okay?
Yeah, I see you fine.
Okay, so 1,
Left foot,
2, 3, 4, 5.
continue, 5 reps. If you have any discomforts, let me know. Left foot, right foot. Doing great. When you hit synchro, you come back home. Watching.
Okay, now I lead with the right leg, correct?
Yes, and in Spanish is derecha.
Cinco. 5. Okay, next.
Good job.
Thank
We do
you.
5 scaptions. Hold the outside of the foam roller. Keep it level with your chest. You're going to pull back 5 times. Exhale as you pull back, your arms stay straight. Inhale as it goes forward. Smell the roses, blow out the candles.
Okay, that's
And
good.
that was 5?
Yeah,
Man, you're
okay.
on 5.
Yeah.
Do 2 more slower. Slow motion. Yep. And I'll make the slow motion sound.
Okay.
Now we're going to do our lateral step with head turn. So that's when the foam roller is in front of you. You drop, catch. Left and right is 1.
Okay, hold on.
1. Your head follows is optional. There you go. It's optional. 2. We only do this as long as we feel safe and stable. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Good. Now 5 clock push-ups with 2 claps in between.
Hold on. Okay.
Thank you. 1. Inhale as you lean forward. Exhale there. 2. Nice catch. 5. Nice job.
Thank you.